Fabio. Please, before start to the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We can see right now one day Bitcoin chart. The last candle closed 6 for bearish, 2 for bullish. The new candle open mine for bearish, mine 1 for bullish. If we look in our line, we get our target. It's 55,700. The price of the Bitcoin going to $55,600. Also, we touch our support, our trend line and golden pocket. If we're looking for market size XRP, we can see the money flow. It's like going up. The RSI going very down, it's likely 16. The stochastic going down too, and the momentum wave going down very strong. VWAP going up right now. If we looking our RSI EMA 22, we can see the RSI is practically touched the bearish line, and likely try recover a little bit. Okay. If we look in start 1 hour chart, we are in red, very red. The stochastic is very low, RSI 2, it's in green, oversold. The VWAP is try to do every time the low high. This is good, but it's still too red in 1 hour. We get 2 big green dot, bullish divergence. We get 2 yellow X. This is manipulation. 1 hour chart is very strong, but it's too early. It's too early. The money flow is red and going down. In 2 hour, the same thing, very high and going down. Start here. Practically try to recover. The stochastic going to red, green to red, like overbought, but come back in oversold another time. In 3 hours, the same thing. In 4 hours, the same thing. 4 hours for me is very important time frame, because it's a time frame to understand when it start going bullish or bearish to the trend. And right now we are practically bearish, but we need to do the first try to come back above to the EMA 200. Okay, right now we get our green dot, we get our red dot. The momentum wave, the next green dot will be a big green dot, because it's above to the 60, the mine 60. And also the new green dot, it create a new low high. Okay, probably here we will see some kind of on action to the upside. Maybe we can retest the 59,000, try to retest the EMA 21, the EMA 21, or the EMA 200. Probably the price will be come back in this area, but probably going down another time, because the money flow is too red. It's very bad right now. 6 hour too. We can see we will get our big green dot 6 hour chart, but the money flow it's red going down. Everything is going down right now, guys. In 8 hour. Also, we will get another big green dot, 2 big green dot, 8 hour chart, and 12 hour. This is 12 hour, guys. I talked about this yesterday. I would like to see something like this. This is very important, guys. This is very important. Come back very fast in this chart in green. Okay. We will get a big green dot. 12 hour chart is very powerful, but it's not enough if we are in red with the money flow. the VWAP right now is going down, money flow going down, RSI stochastic going down, momentum wave going down. Everything is going down right now in Bitcoin. 18 hour too, the same thing. And one day we talk about this. Right now, if we have to looking another price going to the downside, I will looking for this golden pocket 50,000, okay, 50,000, between 50,000 and 49,000, because it's the EMA 200. We can test this target. We need to check what's happening in the next 8 hours, something like that, 8 hours, and we looking in start like 15 minutes, 10 minutes, if we start to go into the green. Okay, we need to see this little time frame start to the green and start going in 30 minutes, very like something like this, going up, and the RSI stochastic start to going up. If we see something like this and the momentum wave going up, probably this is the end of the correction. But I'm expect right now in 4-hour chart, I expect retest the EMA 200, $60,000, $59,000, and another leg going down. For me, my personal opinion, if this is not the end of the correction, probably the end of the correction will be $49,000. This is very important, guys. We need to check very well. We need to check also the weekly chart. Guys, if we look in the weekly chart, we can see it's beautiful. We have a beautiful money flow going up right now, going sideways. We have a red dot, but I'm expect going down a little bit, get a green dot, and going up for the second wave. Okay, it's normal right now have action to the downside because we get this the red dot in 1 week chart, and we need more time to go sideways or a little bit to the downside to get our green dot and come back to the upside. But the money flow is beautiful. We are above the 60 line. Guys, I know it's difficult, it's a correction, but I believe we still get our target $67,000. Also, if we look in 1 day chart, something very interesting, if we get right now, we can talk about this invert head shoulder in the bullish sides, but it's early. Okay, we need to see the head formation because this is an option to the bearish sides, but this is more, sincerely for me, if this going a little bit more down like this, 50,000, 52, something like that, is more like true. It's more the pattern is more true. Like this is shoulder, left shoulder, head, and we need to waiting for the creation to the right. We will see in the next day. Okay, if we looking for Ethereum, XRP, Shiba Inu, everything it's bearish right now, because you know, if we get the correction in Bitcoin, we get the correction for everything. But Ethereum right now, example, is likely get a good support in $4,000. We close the candle with 9 for bearish, 2 for bullish. The new candle opened with 12 for bearish, -1 for bullish. The money flow is still going sideways up. RSI stochastic going down, momentum wave going down, but it's likely try to recover, and the VWAP going up. The RSI I really like it because it's like touch the bearish line and easy come back, have a reaction to the upside. I will expect touch the EMA 22 EMA going down another time. But I really like it a little bit more than Bitcoin, but we can see the same thing in 4-hour chart. We will get in 4-hour chart a little bit better than Bitcoin because we get a double big green dot with bullish divergence. This is very good. Maybe we can come back above to the EMA 200 very fast with Ethereum. And but everything is red for Ethereum 2, 6 hour, 8 hour, 12 hour. We are not still in the red. Okay, we need to see if we're going to the red or not. Depend of the Bitcoin. If the Bitcoin price we get the bottom right now and we start going to the upside, we will not see Ethereum, the money flow in 12-hour chart going to the red. Probably we can see going sideways and start going up another time. For XRP, but my price for Ethereum is still $5,000. XRP, what we can see? XRP, we can see we close the candle 7-4 bearish, 5-4 bullish. The new candle 12-4 bearish, 0-4 bullish. We can see almost we touch the EMA 200 in 1-day chart. The money flow is still recovered to the upside. RSI stochastic going down, VWAP going up, and the momentum wave the direction is very go to the downside. Okay, very straight to the downside. Probably I don't know, maybe we will get a big green dot. 1-day chart will be very good if we stay in the green in the money flow and get a big green dot. It's a very good thing. In a 4-hour chart we can see we get a big green dot. Here probably we get a green dot, we get a bullish divergence. This is good, but it's the same thing for XRP. If we can see some action to the upside, probably we can retest $1.13, but I don't expect right now nothing crazy for XRP. We need to try to come back in 1.14, 1.13 above to the EMA 200 in 4-hour chart is very important, but everything is red. Okay, nothing different. Okay, in 12-hour too. Remember guys, XRP in the USA we cannot buy XRP in Binance, Coinbase. Practically in the USA you can buy just in upload. Okay, when finally we get the end to the case for XRP, I'm super sure we will see the price practically go to the moon in very short time. I expect to come back to the all-time high for $4 and start to going up minimum 3-4 figure for XRP. It's yeah, I think it's possible. If we're looking for Shiba Inu, it's very interesting chart because it's beautiful. It's beautiful for me. Shiba Inu. It's a big correction. Okay, we get a big correction. We get the money flow. The last candle we close 12-4 bearish, mine 1-4 bullish. The new candle open with 7-4 bearish, 2-4 bullish, a little bit better than the other asset. In market cipher B, we can see the money flow right now is going sideways, the VWAP is going up, RSI stochastic going down, and the momentum wave is practically almost below to the -60 and probably we will get a big green dot one day chart with money flow in green. This is very beautiful and very powerful. If we look in the minor time frame, it's the same, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. We are below to the EMA 200. We have the money flow in red. We have the stochastic in green. It's oversold practically. In 6 hour too, 8 hour the same, and 12 hour the same. Practically we will get in all time frame a big green dot. We need to see like Bitcoin, Ethereum in the little time frame start going to the green with the money flow. Okay, we need to see like this example, 6 minutes start going to the green, and we need to see a big wave to the green to see in the like 15 minutes start to see like this. Very good example, almost there in green. In 30 minutes, in 1 hour. Start 1 hour for me is start something interesting. We can see manipulation in 1 hour, in 2 hour not. But guys, it's early, we need to wait in the weekend. Normally in the weekend we have a dip, and right now we are the bearish have a control, and probably we can see another dip. Made the Bitcoin. What I expect is this. What I would like to see. This is a bottom, okay, 55.6. This is a bottom. Come back to 60. Example. Test the EMA 200, going down a little bit. Going down to 70, 57, 58, and retest another time the EMA 200 and going up. This will be very, very important. We need to see if we can do something like that in this weekend. Okay, tomorrow retest the EMA 200 in Friday afternoon. I would like to see something like this. Friday afternoon retest the EMA 200 and correction another time, like this, test 57,700, and finally going another time above to the EMA 200 and retest, example, the first all-time high, $64,000. This will be the perfect scenario for this weekend and start the new week like bullish. This is everything for today, guys. If you are interested in market cipher, you have a link in the description below. You get market cipher A, B, SR, DBS, I. Market cipher is the best indicator for crypto and stock. This is everything for today. See you tomorrow on the next video. Bye.